With the most extensive selection in the industry, IVO Cylinders empower creative freedom like never before. Delivering a light quality that sets a new industry standard, these cylinders excel in visual comfort, color quality, and tailored distributions, essential for every experience. Our bounding ray design minimizes glare and enhances shielding, keeping the focus on your surroundings and creating comfortable, uninterrupted spaces. Our perfect color technology ensures unmatched color quality with a half-step macadam ellipse that renders spaces into vibrant, true-to-life hues, enriching architectural beauty. Enabled by Gotham's proprietary optics, tailored light distributions range from concentrated beams to broad, even illumination, supporting ambient lighting, wayfinding, task lighting, wall washing, and wall grazing. From collaborative hubs designed for group projects to intimate study areas curated for focused, individual work, IVO Cylinders offer an array of mounting options, lengths, and sizes, creating experiences that inspire and engage students throughout their academic journey. With interchangeable trims and optics, these cylinders adapt effortlessly to any interior design intent, whether accentuating clean, modern lines or complementing warm, inviting textures to enable designers to tailor lighting aesthetics to evolving architectural needs. Designed to inspire confidence and unleash creativity, these cylinders empower you to shape any space with beauty, depth, and intention for your vision. IVO Cylinders, designed for every space, for every experience.